Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell Binance Coin. First, you'll need to set up an account on a crypto exchange that lists BNB. Make sure to complete all necessary identity verification steps, which usually involve providing a photo ID. Once verified, you can deposit funds into your account using various options, such as a bank transfer or a debit card. This prepares you to make your first purchase. After funding your account, head to the trading interface on your chosen exchange. Look for the BNB trading pair, often listed against stablecoins like USD. You'll then select your preferred order type. A market order buys immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Input the quantity of BNB you want or the amount of currency you're spending, then confirm your purchase. When you're ready to sell your Binance Coin, navigate to your wallet or portfolio section on the exchange. Find your BNB holdings and select the sell option. Similar to buying, you'll choose a trading pair, perhaps BNB to a stablecoin or fiat currency. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to sell and review the details before confirming the transaction. Your funds will then be available in your account. Once you've sold your BNB, you can withdraw your funds. Go to the withdrawal section of your account and choose your desired currency, whether it's fiat or another cryptocurrency. Input your bank details or the address of your external crypto wallet carefully to ensure a smooth transfer. Always double-check all information before confirming. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic stocks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.